What's going on, everybody? Today's video we are going to talk about how to SEO optimization to your video. We're going to talk about how to SEO for beginners. We are going to talk about how to hide SEO on TikTok video. We are going to talk about how to make your video SEO go viral. We are going to talk about how to put SEO in your video. We're going to talk about SEO specialists. We're going to talk about YouTube SEO 2023. And finally, we're going to talk about TikTok SEO. So, essentially, this video is about how to optimize your video on TikTok. And the reason why I read all those key terms is because I just stumbled upon the way that the TikTok SEO algorithm works. Kind of put everything into perspective for me, and I thought I wanted to share with some people. And I'm actually doing this test also for myself. I'm with SEO Website Masters. Our specialization is mainly with website SEO, web design. And we're starting to get more into social media just to grow and expand. And recently I started experimenting with TikTok SEO, and I'm finally starting to get a hang of it. And I thought maybe I'll launch this experiment to see if it actually works. But based on my research, I discovered that with SEO, it is particularly different with every platform. So the way that you optimize a website, the way that you would optimize your social media profile, the way you're gonna optimize your other social media platforms are different. Each of them are different and specific. So each social media platform actually has its own exclusive algorithm and keyword terms that are specific to those apps. And when I started doing this, because I come from the computer website genre, I was looking at it from that point of view, and I was jumbling and mixing up keywords from Google database or search engine database versus social media databases, and I realized that they're completely different. I realized that each platform has its own specific keyword terms, and it also has its own unique algorithm. And I discovered this by experimenting exclusively with Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, and web, and Google Google database. Sorry guys, I'm driving. I know I shouldn't be making videos while I'm driving, but this is the best time that I have to do it. So so how do you let me go over those keyword terms again. So how do you SEO optimization to your video? How do you SEO for beginners? As I was saying, every platform is different. They all have their own unique algorithm. So for this video, it's specifically for TikTok, how you would optimize your video. Now, I just discovered this like a few days ago, and I've tested it, and it's been working pretty good for me. I mean, granted, I was experimenting on low-level quality videos, but it's the general principles that you want to know. So the first thing that, like I said, you're gonna do is you're gonna do research, keyword research. So it doesn't matter what niche you're under. You're gonna start from there. If you don't know how to discover keywords, just look at your competition. That's the easiest way that that's the first thing that I'll say. Or just start typing on TikTok search box and whatever terms that TikTok is suggesting to you. Those are the keyword terms. So now, like I said, so you're analyzing your competition. You discover a keyword or something that you're wanting to optimize. So the first thing that you do is you're gonna type that keyword into the TikTok search box, and then you're gonna look for all the related search terms that populate. And then so go ahead and grab that and set that aside. So the second thing that you want to do, you want to make a list of those keyword terms. And sorry, it's the traffic is super high. Right, so you assemble the list of keyword terms. So then what you do is you're gonna craft your content based on those keyword terms. So a lot of mistakes that people make in SEO is they're thinking too much like humans. You know, they're trying to make everything sound from the perspective of a human, but if you're exclusively looking into SEO and how to optimize your content, you have to look at it from the point of view of a search engine, and the search engine is just a bunch of algorithm, and it doesn't have any sentiment or human feeling. So you want to give it what it wants. So when you're creating this content, you're gonna craft it, like I said, using those keyword terms, and then you're gonna make sure that your title includes those terms, your hashtags, the body of your content, the images, the alt tags. So you want keywords all over that. And once you have that done, you want to make sure that your script also includes those keywords. And really, that's the whole point of me making this video, is I'm actually using those scripts. And I actually, for the very first minute of the video, I was listing out the keyword terms, and I was doing that for the purposes of search engine optimization. Just show you guys, that it really works, and this is how it works. So when you see people with like millions of views and all that, they got it. They have millions of views now, but prior to them gaining that much momentum, they had to do all this legwork, and once you build a certain momentum, then SEO is not as important, but you got to have the followers, so you won't need SEO. You need SEO in order to grow and expand your following, so then you won't need to have to optimize and do all this extra stuff just for posting content. So your text is optimized, your video is optimized, your images are optimized. So then that's when you put everything together, and then you post that content, and then you watch what happens. Okay, so I lost my train of thought, but what I was trying to tell you guys is in order to maximize the benefit of SEO, you want to make sure that everything that you create is surrounding those keywords. You don't want to just aimlessly just post content because the title sounds fancy, or you're trying to go off a trending topic. Sorry guys, I was trying to escape some cops. But yeah, sorry, I couldn't even I forgot what I was talking about. But I'm gonna make a part 2 on this video. This video, like I said, is just for the purposes of testing my SEO. I'm gonna recite the list of keyword terms. We're gonna post this video today, and then we're gonna check it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do a part 2, and I'm gonna elaborate all the points that I made in this video, and I'll offer a conclusion to what my findings are from this little experiment. So here are the list of keywords that we're testing for this video for SEO purposes. How to SEO optimization to your video. SEO for beginners. SEO optimization. How to hide SEO on TikTok video. How to make your video SEO go viral. SEO for YouTube video. SEO specialist. YouTube SEO 2023. TikTok SEO. I'm gonna make a part 2 tomorrow, and we're gonna explain all these keywords and our findings from this experiment. Okay, talk to you then.